welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
Always ready to dive in.
Awesome. So, today we're looking ahead to the world of generative AI in 2025.
Yeah, crystal ball time. Always fun to speculate a bit.
Absolutely. And to help us with these predictions, we're using some insights from, let me see, pasted text.
Some really interesting projections in there.
Oh, for sure. Like the first trend they highlighted, well, it's called enhanced multimodal capabilities. And honestly, it sounds kind of like something out of a sci-fi movie.
It does have that ring to it, doesn't it? But really, it's about AI evolving beyond just text. Think images, sounds, 3D models, even virtual worlds, all coming together seamlessly.
Okay, now that you put it that way, it clicks a little better for me. But still, creating entire worlds, like how does that even work?
Well, picture this. You're writing a story, maybe a fantasy epic, and you want to describe a sprawling forest. Instead of just words on a page, the AI takes your descriptions and turns them into a living, breathing environment. You can practically feel the wind rustling the leaves, maybe hear some mythical creature call out from the trees.
Whoa, okay, that's pretty mind-blowing. I can see that being a total game changer, not just for writers, but also for game developers, filmmakers. I mean, the possibilities are huge.
Exactly, and that's just one example. We're talking about AI that can create in ways we're only just starting to grasp.
Wow. Okay, so that's trend one, multimodal magic. What about the next big thing?
Well, pasted text suggests we'll be seeing a lot more domain-specific generative AI. It's like AI is getting specialized, earning a doctorate in a particular field.
So instead of a jack of all trades AI, we're going to have AI experts.
Precisely. Imagine an AI trained specifically on, say, legal documents. It could sift through mountains of case law in seconds, help lawyers draft airtight contracts, maybe even predict the outcome of a trial with crazy accuracy. Or how about AI for healthcare, trained on millions of medical records and images?
Hold on, so you're saying AI could help doctors diagnose diseases more effectively, maybe even discover new treatments?
That's the potential we're talking about. And it's not just limited to law or medicine. Imagine specialized AI for finance, education, engineering. Every field could benefit from this level of focused expertise.
Okay, gotta admit, that's pretty exciting. But also a little intimidating. AI getting that smart.
I understand the concern. And that actually leads us to another important trend, greater focus on AI ethics and copyright.
Right, because if AI can create all this amazing stuff, who owns it? And what about the potential for bias or misuse?
Exactly. As AI gets more powerful, these questions become even more critical. We're talking about potentially rewriting copyright laws, establishing new ethical guidelines for AI development, making sure these powerful tools are used responsibly.
It's like opening Pandora's box, in a way. We're unleashing this incredible power, but we need to make sure we can control it.
Absolutely. And those conversations are already happening, which is a good sign. Now, moving on, let's talk about trend number 4. Generative AI in real-time applications. This is where things get really mind-bending.
Real time. So AI isn't just creating stuff beforehand, it's doing it on the fly.
Think of it as AI improvising. Imagine playing a video game where the story isn't pre-scripted. The AI creates the narrative, the environments, the characters, all in response to your choices. Every playthrough would be unique, a completely personalized experience.
Whoa, that's next level. No more linear storylines or predictable outcomes.
Yeah.
Like the game is evolving with you.
Exactly. And this real-time capability goes way beyond gaming. Think about virtual assistants that can truly understand and respond to your needs in the moment. Personalized learning experiences that adapt to your learning style, even live events that are shaped by the audience's input.
Wow, okay, I'm starting to see just how much potential this has. It's not just about creating content, it's about creating truly dynamic, interactive experiences.
That's the core of it. Now, the final trend pasted text highlights is collaboration between humans and AI in creative processes. This one really emphasizes the partnership between us and the machines.
So it's not about AI replacing artists and writers, it's about them working together.
Precisely. Imagine a writer struggling with writer's block. The AI can step in, offer suggestions, maybe even generate different plot points or character arcs to explore. Or think about a musician using AI to experiment with different sounds and melodies, pushing their creative boundaries further than ever before.
It's like having a super-powered brainstorming partner, but one that never gets tired or runs out of ideas.
And never judges your bad ideas. It's a safe space to experiment and explore, to truly unleash your creativity.
That's a powerful thought. So looking at these 5 trends, it seems like the future of generative AI is incredibly exciting, with potential impacts on pretty much every aspect of our lives.
Absolutely. It's a future filled with possibilities where AI empowers us to create, to explore, and to push the boundaries of what's possible.
And maybe a little scary too, right? I mean, it's a lot of change and fast.
Change can be daunting, that's for sure. But it also brings incredible opportunity. And that's what makes this whole field so fascinating. It's not just about the technology itself, but how we choose to use it, how we shape it to benefit humanity.
I think that's a perfect note to end on. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive. It's given us a lot to think about.
My pleasure. Always happy to explore the future of AI.
And to our listeners, what are your thoughts on these trends? What excites you the most? What concerns you? Hit us up on social media. Let's keep this conversation going.
Yeah, chime in. Let us know your thoughts. This is a future we're all building together, so let's make it a good one.
Absolutely. Until next time, keep exploring.
Stay curious.